Hello Libra, welcome to Legend Tarot. We are doing the August monthly reading today. This is a general reading. This may or may not resonate for all of you. Please take what works for you and leave out the rest. We would be looking at the overall energy for the month. We will then look at any challenges or blockages for you this month. Then we will check for any advice from Spirit or Universe, and followed by the outcome for the month should we take the advice, right? Let's start and get right into it. So Libra. The overall energy for you Libra this month is the Queen of Wands, and this is a fire energy, a very grounded, abundant energy. She is very mature. He's gone through a lot, and she's the only fire sign who fearlessly faces challenges. So all other court cards in the Wands deck are protected. She's the only one who's not protected. The salamanders on the cloaks or dresses of all of them are the indicators of them being protected. And Queen of Wands, she's the fearless one who goes into things without any protection, right? And she's also a very attractive energy. So if you are looking for a relationship, or if you are in a situation where you need to draw attention to yourself, this is a card which brings that attention to you. She is also very wise and mature and warm. So let's see how this energy works for you this month. We'll do a clarification on this. For now, let's pull the challenge card. For you Libra, the challenge this month is the Four of Cups. You might be feeling a little low, disappointed. Even though things are not as bad as they seem, you might be looking, or you might be focusing more towards the negative of it. I think the message here is to focus on what you have. If you see in this card here, the person is sitting disappointed looking at 3 empty cups, but they are being offered from nowhere a full new cup, right? And if they just lift their gaze up, they'll be able to see this and start afresh with something new and bright, right? But they tend to choose and focus on 3 of Cups. So the message here is to not focus on this. Yes, the advice is to walk away. 8 of Cups. So again, universe is asking you to walk away from whatever disappointed you in the past and go towards the new path that's being offered to you. If you see 8 of Cups is also a card where you choose to walk away. It's not that you have to. There is a lot of emotion still there. You are not completely healed or out of it, but you choose to walk away for your own good in 8 of Cups. So the advice is realize when it is time for you to move on and not dwell into whatever happened in past and whatever. It can be anything, right? It can be a broken relationship, it can be a lost job, it can be a poor feedback review cycle, it can be you were expecting a 15% hike and you got only 5% hike, right? So what the message is from Spirit is to kind of move away from that disappointment. And also what happens is, if we tend to stay in that state of mind, that's the kind of energy we attract to ourselves. So we should always look at challenges, understand, learn from them, and move on from there. The more you dwell into those energies, the more negative you draw to yourself. For the outcome, we have the Strength card. A lot of fire energy here for you Libra, even though you are an air sign. You have Queen of Wands, which can also be a Leo, Sagittarius, Aries. Strength, which is a card of Leo. So a lot of fire energy for you. A lot of things which probably are going to take for you are things which you are passionate about and feel strongly about, because it's all Wands and Cups here for you. No Pentacles or swords, right? So the outcome is you are going to come out strong, right? Again, to me it's like the same energy from Queen of Wands going to the Strength, the woman who's able to manage or tame a lion, right? And you have to be that strong, and this is the kind of strength that doesn't go unnoticed, right? This is the kind of strength which is recognized and people understand it. Also pay attention to any sign symbols. You are getting repetitive numbers. You have number 8 and number 8 here, so you might be seeing a lot of repetitive numbers or synchronicities in your day to day. Be a little more alert to noticing those. For the Queen of Wands, we have the Devil as the clarifying energy. Devil is a Capricorn energy in Major Arcana. So Devil is about not getting into repetitive cycles or toxic cycles. It's also about when this card comes up, you need to work on giving up things that are not good for you. It can be addictions, but in this case, to me, this comes across more as a message of not getting into that repetitive cycle of self-pity or disappointment, and get into that energy of Queen of Wands where you're confident, abundant, attractive. And when you are in that positive energy and when you are in that kind of a vibe, you draw more positive to you. So this is more of a message to get to this energy and move away from this energy of the Devil for you this month. Let's look at Four of Cups in the challenge position. This is clarified by the Five of Wands. Probably whatever disappointment you are dealing with came to be with a lot of drama and a lot of conflict. You probably are a person who gets impacted by conflict and trying to seek balance and harmony, and that's what's probably triggering the disappointment for you. But focus on what is coming your way than what has been behind you, is what I would say. Let's clarify the Eight of Cups, the Magician, right? So the moment you decide to walk away from what is not working for you and is hurting you, you are able to manifest what you want, and that's what's leading you to strength, right? A magician has all the skills. If you see the traditional Rider-Waite deck, they have a wand, they have a sword, they have a pentacle, they have a cup. So they bring the energy of or the power of all four elements together, and they have all the tools and skill to manifest or make things happen. So your happiness or your success sits in your hand here, is what the universe is telling you. The Strength card is clarified by the Justice. Again, this is actually your own energy coming in, right? Justice is the card of Libra, and this is more like you coming into your own power, right, and gaining that strength. So whatever you start here, if you walk away, start manifesting, this will lead you to this strength. And what will bring you to the strength, or what will bring to the fore as your strength, is your own self, right? We started here with Queen of Wands as the energy that you have to come to be in. This is going to transition into you coming to your complete energy of or being completely in your own element and growing to that, right? Justice with strength is something very powerful for you. This is like the world will see you, and all the disappointments or things that you have been worried about will be a thing of the past. They'll just be something to reflect on, right? So a lot of positive coming in. Just be cautious of getting into a negative disappointment loop. Let's close this with a oracle card. I have the Keepers of the Light cards with me, and let's draw one and see what's the message for you today. Okay, we have two cards for you. The first one is Krishna, devotion. Trust your spiritual guidance. Your commitment has been recognized. You are loved unconditionally. So again, have faith, believe in where you want to reach, and your efforts would be recognized, right? There's no doubt about it. And you may have faced some challenges or hurdles in the past. You would overcome that. And the second one is Maha Avatar Babaji. This is a card of soul expansion. Your consciousness is expanding. You understand the connections between all things. So again, this is more like the magician in energy, right? You understand, you know what needs to work and how things will work out. It's just that you have to put in that effort on the positive front and do it. That's all I have for you today, Libra. Do let me know in the comments below whether you liked the video or not. In case you liked it, please do like, subscribe. Thank you for listening till the end, and see you next time. Bye.